Hey guys, so I'm back with another mukbang. Today I have, this place is called Sushi China Cafe. I have me some shrimp fried rice, but I just realized I don't think there's any type of shrimp in here. So I think they gave me vegetable fried rice, which is fine. I love me some veggies, whatever. I have pecan honey shrimp. And then this roll right here is called OMG roll, which has like shrimp and stuff, shrimp tempura and stuff. And then here, this is called the Japanese bagel roll, which is like always my go-to. And then I have some salmon nigiri right up front. Let me move this back some so you can see it a little bit more. All right. And then I have some soy sauce here, some wasabi. And let's just dig in because I'm very hungry, as always. Oh, and then today I just have some water on the side because I tell you guys all the time, I need some water in my life, right? Okay. I've already prayed. Did I? I'm pretty good. All right. I'm gonna start with some nigiri. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do first? I'm gonna add some wasabi in here. Does anyone else do that? Add wasabi to their soy sauce? Gotta have a little kick. That might have been a little bit too much, but we'll see. Actually, that might have been perfect. Who likes sushi? And I mean sushi. Not, what's the roll everyone always gets when they're trying sushi for the first time? California roll. I'm not talking about that type of sushi. Anyways, let me try this. So I've heard, technically you're supposed to eat nigiri with your hands. So obviously the nigiri was raw fish. Oh, never mind. All of these are raw fish. Like this looks like this might be raw fish up top. Oh, I know what that is. Never mind. Oh, we'll see if I like this. So the nigiri is raw fish with raw salmon. This has raw salmon in it. This has tempura shrimp, which is shrimp deep fried, and then on top it's crab, but it's not real crab. It's imitation crab. I'm not really a big fan of imitation crab, so we'll see how that goes. But anyways, I'm gonna try one of the honey. Or the pecan honey shrimp. That's yummy. That's good. Mm-hmm. Definitely vegetable for fried rice. But you know what? I'm fine with that. Because I have my shrimp over here. Mmm. Alright. Cleanse the palate. This is so good. So, when I want to order in for sushi, this is the place that I order from. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Alright, let's try this. The OMG roll. The OMG roll. There's also cream cheese in this one too. There's cream cheese in this one. There's also cream cheese in this one. I like cream cheese. Just as much as I like sour cream. Mmm. I need some cake. Ooh. Put that back. It was just a late hit. It's good. I just don't like imitation crab. Because it literally tastes like imitation crab. Like it tastes like it's fake. If it didn't have the imitation crab on top, that would have been fine. But you know what? It's not that intense. It could be worse. I keep going for the wasabi because I like a nice little kick. Gotta be careful with wasabi though, but this is a good meal. Mm-hmm. I feel like I haven't been giving you guys a lot of eye contact. Mm. My favorite. Mm-hmm. I got a nice bite of shrimp tempura. Yum. Mm-hmm. You know what? Let's give it a try. Pray for me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's in my nose. It's in my nose. Ow. You gotta be careful with wasabi. Ooh. It was really good. It was just, gotta be careful. Man. Mm. Gotta take it easy on the wasabi. I've gotten all new things. Like, I've ordered from this place before, but everything I've ordered is new, except the Japanese bagel roll. Try this again. Just a small amount. Mm. On the sides. Mm-hmm. What's this zucchini? Yeah. Shout out to my subscriber Jaleel. I forgot your last name. I'm so sorry, honey. But he is literally, if I have to say, my number one subscriber, or like one of my top subscribers, because he's like always commenting first. He's like always seeing my video first that I know of, because like if you're looking at like my analytics, you'll see a view and then you'll see his comment. And then recently, like literally today, he shared my video with his subscribers, and he has like, if I saw correctly, like 1.12 thousand or 1.2 thousand, I can't remember correctly, but it was like over 1,000 subscribers, and he shared one of my videos on his platform, and I just like really appreciate him for that. Like, you guys don't even understand, like, the fact that he went out of his way to do that and always like comments. Literally love him for it. So thank you. I'm gonna tag him in this video. This video is for you, Jaleel. Thank you so much. You are like literally such an awesome person. Never met you, and I feel like we're literally family. Like, every comment you're always calling me fam, and it just makes me feel so comforted and loved, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much for being honest and doing what you do. I really appreciate it. And if you guys want to, you should definitely go over to his channel. Like, literally, just go to any one of my videos and you'll see his comments. And follow him. If not, like I said, I'm gonna tag him. He's so cool. So cool, so cool. So, pecan honey shrimp. The OMG roll. If you're in Georgia, and again, the place is called Sushi Cafe, I believe. I feel like I'm leaving out a part of the name. But I believe it's Sushi Cafe. And then Japanese bagel roll. They can get that like at any sushi spot. And then obviously I'm pretty sure this was vegetable, because I didn't see like one thing of one thing of shrimp in this. So I'm pretty sure this was a vegetable fried rice. But yeah. Yeah. But that's what I thought of when I first ordered it, because I was like, oh, I've had that before. Just not at this place. If you have a nut allergy, Do not get it. Mm-mm. Mm. I'm gonna put this right here because I'm gonna open it after. We'll read my fortune together. It'll be a good one, I know. Yummy, yummy. I hate peas, so that's what I keep pushing away. Hate peas with a passion. All right. This is really good. Sorry guys, no burps today. Oh my gosh. Water is so good when you haven't had water in a while. I say I need to drink more water because I don't really drink water until it's time for my mukbang. That's so bad. So that's why I'm over here like, oh, water is so good. quenches your thirst. All right, guys. So let's open this real quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm not gonna eat the cookie because I believe it was in my last video. I said I don't eat sweets and pastries and stuff like that. So it says, your talents will prove to be especially useful this week. I hope they're talking about, well, I hope they're talking about all types of talents. That's funny, because I had a message with an old friend, and he was telling me about how don't submit myself to one specific talent. I have a lot more talents, and I told him I know that. So, you know what? This is probably perfect for me. Yeah, it says your talents will prove to be especially useful this week. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can. Okay. Well, anyways. Ooh. Ciao. Anyways. Ooh. There we go. But thank you guys so much for watching my mukbang. I really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell down below so you know when I'm posting a new video. And just thank you for continuing to watch, continue to subscribe, continuing to comment. I love all the comments. But yeah, until next time, as always,